Wow, wow, wow. The moment gold break up from this strong resistance over here, okay? Then once if it test back, then you never ever look back. Right guys, so let us take a look at the gold market for the coming week. Okay, so as usual, what we do is we go to this top-down analysis. So we can see monthly candle is super bullish right now. Then we go to the weekly. Again, weekly is also super bullish, right? So if you go to the daily, daily can see from here. Okay, once gold actually break up from this strong resistance zone over here. Okay, once this is a strong resistance, once you break up, become a new resistance, become a new support, then you eventually you went up all the way here. Okay, so again the daily is still very bullish as well. So means 1 2 3 4 5 almost a whole week last week, so been a super bullish. Okay, so almost reaching to the level of 5,000. Currently is at 49.88. Okay, so if you look at the H1 time frame, so if we put a trend line over here, okay, so if we put a trend line over here, okay, so you can see that overall gold is still respecting this trend line, is still going uptrend here. Okay, and also if we put this zone over here, okay, so let me screenshot and explain from here. So you can see gold basically last week, this one is actually a strong resistance, eventually break up. Okay, once you break up, come back to retest before eventually going up again. Okay, so for next week, what can we actually foresee is if let's say gold want to go down. Okay, so since this is a strong resistance and a support zone over here, it's a strong SNR, support and resistance zone over here. Okay, and also this one currently gold trend line is still actually bullish, right? Still bullish trend. All right, so if gold wanted to go down, it must first actually break up. Okay, it must actually first break up from this trend line over here, and then also break up and close below this SNR zone. Okay, only we can actually anticipate go to pull back before it can actually go down lower. Okay, if go down lower, where could go possibly go? Okay, so this one is a zone over here. Okay, this one is a previous resistance over here. Okay, resistance, this one is a breakout, so gold haven't really come back to retest to this resistance, become a new support area here. Okay, so this one could be a strong zone that we could monitor if gold were to really drop from here, pull back before it can actually go down further. Okay, otherwise gold could potentially, okay, go above 5,000 level. This is what gold intention is, okay, to go to 5,000. Okay, so this one currently is a strong resistance over here. Okay, so this one is a multiple rejections over here. Okay, so either for coming week gold could actually play around in between these two zones, or it could actually have a massive breakup over here before you have pullback, before you can actually go higher. Okay, so anyway, let us take a look at the gold market for the coming week. Okay, so if you want to know more, please join my Telegram channel DTA International Academy for more information and daily educations. Okay, so see you guys there.